Okay, I'm back. Okay, what I've done is I've done the dashboard. So what I've done is I took these this double-sided little squares that are provided, and I stuck a LED onto each one of them, and I with a tweezer I basically shoved it in there and stuck it down after putting a diffuser in the back. So I cut a small diffuser and put it into the back, then I put the LEDs in. What I've done then is I fed the middle section wires through the bottom of the central console. Let me show you. Okay, above the copper rod. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to feed through the rest of the wires. So I'm going to put this in, and then let the wire run through this area over here, and then through the whole same way as this one through the back. And then I'll do the same with the pods. So the pods ones will work. It's going to basically come out the back over here, and then across the top, and then through the hole. Okay. So once that's done, then I'll connect up the side lights, which I'll show you, and then I'll do the light bar. If you find the hole too small, just drill a bigger hole. I'm not sure if all these wires will fit through the hole. So I'll only know once I actually get to sticking them through. Okay, so yeah, till the next one. Cheers.